Is your 2013-2017 Nissan Leaf key fob not working as reliably as it used to? Common signs that the battery needs replacing include dim LED lights, reduced range under 10 feet, or complete failure. The CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery typically lasts 1-2 years depending on usage. Replacing it is a simple DIY task requiring only a small screwdriver, saving you time and money compared to dealership service, which can cost $50 to $100. Your Nissan Leaf key fob requires a specific battery type, the CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. This small, round battery provides the power needed for the key fob's functions. The CR2032 is also known as Duracell DL2032 or Sony CR2032. These are identical battery types that will work interchangeably in your key fob. You can easily find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers. They're a common household battery type. For environmentally conscious choices, look for brands certified by the Responsible Battery Coalition. These batteries contain recycled lithium content and are produced more sustainably. For replacing the key fob battery in your 2013-2017 Nissan Leaf, you'll only need a few basic tools. First, a small flathead screwdriver to help open the fob casing. Alternatively, use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the plastic surface. You'll also need the replacement CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Optionally, a keyring opener can make accessing the fob easier. Importantly, no soldering or programming is required for this simple process on these Leaf models. First, locate and remove the emergency key from the fob. Then, use the screwdriver to carefully pry open the fob's plastic casing at the seam. Remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side orientation. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the plus side facing up. Snap the casing back together securely. Test the fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors. In rare cases, the key fob might need reprogramming after a battery change due to security features. This ensures the fob syncs properly with the vehicle's system. To reprogram, enter the car and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 5 to 10 seconds. The vehicle's system will recognize and resync the fob. If issues persist after reprogramming, consult your Nissan dealer for professional assistance. When replacing your Nissan Leaf key fob battery, always wear gloves to protect your skin from contact with battery acid, which can cause irritation or burns. Dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly at a recycling center, following EPA regulations for lithium waste to prevent environmental harm and comply with federal guidelines. Avoid exposing the fob's internal electronics to water during the replacement process, as moisture can damage the circuits and cause permanent failure. Cold temperatures can drain the key fob battery faster. Extreme cold, like sub-zero winters, causes the battery to lose power more quickly due to reduced chemical reactions. To prolong battery life, store your key fob in a warmer environment, such as a heated garage. This prevents cold-related drain and can double the battery's lifespan. Consider aftermarket smart key fobs, which may extend battery life up to 50% through energy-efficient chips. These modern alternatives use less power while maintaining all functions. Regular use with 10 to 20 button presses daily typically yields a battery lifespan of 1 to 3 years. Consistent activity keeps the battery active without overdraining it. While DIY battery replacement remains cost-effective at under $5, future Nissan EVs are trending towards phone-as-key systems using NFC and UWB technology. Expect advancements in 100% recycled lithium batteries by 2027, improving sustainability. AI-assisted repair apps will also likely guide users through the process with AR overlays.